Why I have stopped recording full animation tutorials, because the attention span of the people have reduced to less than 3 seconds. If you see your habit of scrolling the Instagram reels, most of the people don't even watch any single reel completely. If you can't watch a 3-second video continuously, then how do you expect that you will be watching a 20 minutes video completely without even skipping? And that's why as a creator I need to value my time and I need to help more people. So if I create a 1 hour video and if only one person or two people watch that video, it's not going to make that much sense. If I create a short video and if it reaches to 200 people, then I'm able to help 200 people. So if you are somebody in the animation industry and if you are not having the focus, then probably you should not be in the animation industry. Why? Because animation is a long journey. Animating a 2 seconds video will cost you the whole day. So if you can't focus 3 seconds, you will not be able to create a 2 seconds video by putting your hard work for the complete day. And that's why it's a suggestion that if you are scrolling through your Instagram reels all day, stop doing that. That is costing you a big deal, which you are not aware of now, but you are soon going to be aware of when you will not be able to do anything in your animation journey. And this is not to demotivate you, but to make you aware. When I realize something, I have started utilizing my time in the more productive way. So make sure you also value your time and spend it correctly. If you can relate with my point, let me know in the comment section.